The purpose of this video is for you to, 1, know the parts of a fraction, 2, to identify a number as an improper fraction, proper fraction, or mixed number, and 3, to convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions. What is a fraction? A fraction is part of something. It's part of a whole. The red semicircle is a fraction of the whole circle. The circle is divided into 2 halves, so the red part is one of 2 halves, which equals 1/2. What does 1/2 mean? Well, the top number tells us how many parts are in the fraction. That's the colored parts in the pictures below, and that's called the numerator. The bottom number of the fraction tells us how many parts the whole is made up of. That's the denominator. Those are the number of pieces inside the pictures below. So what fraction of the area is shaded in the drawings below? Well, in the first picture with the purple, it identifies it for you. The purple is one of 2 squares, so it's 1/2 shaded. In the next picture, you have one of 3 squares shaded, so that makes 1/3. In the following picture, you have one of 4 squares shaded, so that's 1/4. In the next one, you have 2 of 4 shaded, so that's 2/4. Next 3 are yours. Pause and give it a try. Did you get that? If you didn't get those, you should probably talk to me. Now we're going to identify each fraction as proper, improper, or a mixed number. A proper fraction means the numerator, the number on top, is smaller than the denominator, the number on the bottom. So 2/3, the 2 is smaller than the 3, so that makes it a proper fraction. In the next one, 4 is the numerator. It's smaller than 9, the denominator, so it is also a proper fraction. But the next one, 7/3, 7 is my numerator. It is bigger than the bottom number. It is an improper fraction. And then the last one here has a whole number and a fractional part, which makes it a mixed number. So you try the 6 below. Pause now. Check these answers. Did you get it right? If not, you probably need to talk to me. To convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, you follow these simple steps. To change 7/3, you would take the numerator and divide it by the denominator. So 7 divided by 3, which gives you a quotient of 2 and a remainder of 1. The quotient is the whole part, and the remainder is the new numerator for my fraction. So in number 1 on the right here, 29 is divided by 4, which gives me 7 with a remainder of 1. So 7 becomes my whole part, the 1 becomes my numerator, so that becomes 7 1/4. In number 2, I'm going to divide 13 by 6. That's going to give me 2 with a remainder of 1. So 2 is my whole part. The 1 is my new numerator, so that gives me 2 1/6. In number 3, 73 is going to be divided by 9. That's going to give me 8 with a remainder of 1. They don't always have a remainder of 1, but in this case they are. That's going to give me 8 with a 1/9 fraction. Now I want you to pause the video and do the next 3. Did you get that? Check your answers. Make sure you matched up. If not, you need to let me know. We're going to look at changing a mixed number to an improper fraction now. First, you multiply the whole number part times the denominator. So it would be 2 times 9. Then you add your answer to the numerator. Well, 2 times 9 is 18. That plus 1 is going to give me 19. That becomes my new numerator. I put both of those over the denominator, and it gives me this fraction. So it's your turn. Give it a try. Pause. Did you get those answers? Check and make sure you got them right. If not, you need to talk to me. So if you have any questions, let me know.